Assalamualaikum, my name is Fazli bin Zulkifli. My matrix number is CE210161. So today we will present about question 1. So A, question 1, the three diagrams. So W, F, X, Y, Z, dW, dx equal to Wx, Wxr, dW, dy equal to Wy, Yr. The second one is Wy, Yq. So the Z equal to Wz, Zr. So next, find dW, dr. So find dW, dr by using the formula Wx, Xr plus Wy, Yr plus Wz, Zr. So by substitute the equation, so we get the answer, which is dW per dr 2x cos theta plus 2y 2 square r sin theta plus 2x0. So the answer, which is dW per dr equal to 2x cos theta plus 4qry sin theta. So I will go to the simulation. So the simulation, like we can see, just declare first symbol PWQRYZ theta. So and by write the formula, and the automatic will show the answer, and I have shared the answer here. So like I get the same answer with the manual calculation for question 1A. Okay, now I will continue about 1C. So for the 1C, by using double integral, also the answer, the question is, we have cos y, curve y equal to negative minus x negative x minus 1 square. So the y to plus x. So the calculation is, if x equal to 0, y equal to 5 minus 0 minus 1 square, the y answer is 4. If y equal to 0, 0, negative 5, x minus 1 square, so the answer, which is x plus minus square root 5. So x1 equal to 3.236, x2 equal to negative 1.236. So let line y equal to 2 plus x. So if x 0, so just substitute that. So the y equal to 2. If y equal to 0, the automatic x equal to negative 2. So next I will continue to find XA and XB of region R. So by using the formula, so by substitute the formula, which is we can using a calculator using eqn. So then after we get x1 equal to negative 1, x2 equal to 2, by using that we just put it into the double integral, which is the limit dy dx. So y, integrate y by using a first limit, we get negative x square plus x plus 2 dx. So integrate again by using another x limit, so we get 10 over 3 minus 7 over 6. So the answer, which is r equal to 9 over 2 LIS 4.5 unit square. I will go to the simulation. So just put in the equation we get at the GeoGebra simulation. So after we input the equation, so we get the answer, which is like what we draw, and so the area also same, 4.5 unit square. Now I will continue next. So next, determine the hemisphere. So the formula x square plus y square plus z square equal to r square. So x square plus y square plus z square equal to 4. So just find first x and y, then we integrate. So after we integrate, we get the answer, which is the answer is s equal to 1. So s equal to pi per 2. So this is my calculation, we can see. So next I will go to the simulation. For the simulation, we just put in the equation we get, the answer we get. So g equal to z equal 1, f x equal to 0, so bxy equal to 4, negative x square, negative y square square root, all of that. So we can get the hemisphere like that. So that's all for me. I will pass to my friend. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Muhammad Khairadi bin Abdul Rahman. My message number is CE200067. Okay, today I would like to explain the solution for question 2 for my project Multivariable Calculus. Okay, for the question 2, this is for the multiple integral for the solution for question 2. And then for question 2A, for the assume A is for my last metric number is 7, so A is equal to 7. So the final answer that I got for method multiple integral is 240/2 unit. Okay, for next question, for question 2B, this is the question is x minus 3 in bracket 2 power of 2 plus y2 equal to 9 when plane is z equal 0 and x equal to y. This is for the situation for z equal 0 and z is equal y. The maximum limit is x minus 3 in bracket in power of 2 plus y power of 2 and equal to 9. So final answer that I got from this question is 18 unit of kuasa 3. Okay, for next question, for question 2C, the question is for dz, dx and dy. So for the final answer that for the circle, for spheral for unit to spheral circle, the final answer is I got is 10.83 G. This is for the handwriting solution. Okay, for next, for the software solution, I use Mapper. This is for the question 1. I got 8/3. For question 2B, I got 18, same like handwriting. For question C, I got 32, negative 32/15 plus 64 per kuasa 2 pi/15. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is Ahmad Adam Alfisa, matrix number CE210224. I am from section 3, group 1. Today I'll be presenting for question 3 by using the MATLAB. MATLAB is a proprietary multi-paradigm programming language and a numeric computing environment developed by MathWorks. MATLAB allows matrix manipulation, plotting of function and data, implementation of algorithm, creation of user interface, and interfacing with programs written in other languages. For question 3b, calculate the line integrals of integer x power of 2 times y dx plus x dy in a counterclockwise direction. So C1 equals to 1, 0 minus 0, 0 equals to I. C2 is 1, 2 minus 1, 0 equals to 2j. C3 is 0, 0 minus 1, 2 equals to I. And CT, which is C total, is C plus 1 plus C2 plus C3. So we will run this program. So C1 is equals to 0, C2 is equals to 2, C3 is equals to negative 3 over 2, and Ct equals to 1 over 2. So for question 3c, calculate the line integrals by using Green's theorems. Y minus x power of 3 from 0, 0 to 1, 1. Y equals to x from 0, 0 to 1, 1. And the lowest limit is y equals to x power of 3. Maximum limit is y equals to x. Lowest limit is x equals to 0. Maximum limit is x equals to 1. So this is we will run this program. So the line integrals using Green's theorem is 1 over 4. For question 3D, finding the work done by force in moving an object. Y equals to x power of 2, x equals to t, y equals to t power of 2. And we will run this program. So the work done by force in moving an object is 3.
Okay, Assalamualaikum, and my name is Muhammad Mirazi. My matrix number is CE2040. So I would like to present the software solution for question number 4. So for the 4A, we state the program, which is f equals to at xy 6 the power of y minus 2 xy the square root 9 over 4. So we declare the function. So instead, x min equals to 0, x max equal to 3, y min equal to 0, and y max, what we get is at x 6 minus 2 over x. So integral to f x min, x max, y min, and also y max. So we get the answer is 1 to 1.5. For the question B, for the question 4B, the equation given is k equal to negative z. So f equals to I j k. So the I 7x, j is 0, and k is negative z. So um, state A, we differentiate d over dx. Okay, then we get A equals to 7, b d per dy, j which is j, b is equal to 0, c equals to d over dz which is k, and c equals to negative 1. So a plus b plus c vector calculus, which is nambla, times 7x 0 negative z, and we get 6. M equals to, we integrate 2 pi 0 1 d theta, m equals to 2 pi, n equals to integration of pi and 0 sine ohm d ohm, n equals to 2, q equals to prime power of 3 divided by 3, and the answer for q is 8 over 3. So the flux equals to 6 times m times n and times q. The flux we get is, the last answer is 64 pi. And for the last, which is 4c, the equation given is parametric equation x equals to cos t, y equals to sin t, then 0 less than or equals to t and greater than 2 pi. X equals to cos t, y equals to sin t, and 0 lower than or same t greater than 2 pi. So A equals to RT equals to cos t sin t and 0. Okay, so the B d over dt, which is A. So B equals to dt RT. So you get negative sin t cos t and 0. F equals to 0, 2 cos t sine cube t. Okay, B equals to negative sine t cos t and 0. So integrate 2 pi f times b dt. So you get 2 pi. Left hand side, we use the left hand side, which is the equation given. So we get, for the integration, we get 2 pi 0 1 0 2 r dr d theta, and the last answer is 2 pi. So that's all for me for my presentation. Thank you very much, and assalamu alaikum.